Welcome to CyberTips Explainer. The hard truth of 2026 is that the cloud is a security leak. Trusting third-party APIs with sensitive data, it's just no longer a viable option. So today, we're bypassing the cloud completely. We are building a 10-minute blueprint for local AI autonomy using the absolute definitive May 2026 hardware meta. We're talking no external APIs, no recurring subscriptions, and zero data exfiltration. Just raw, localized intelligence. I want you to really picture this for a second. Imagine a massive 70 billion parameter model flawlessly executing multi-step tool calls, reasoning its way through complex workflows, and securely updating records. And it's doing all of this the exact moment a physical Ethernet cable is pulled from the wall, completely unplugged, air-gapped. Now, you might be wondering, why has this shift to local autonomy suddenly hit critical mass? Well, to understand that, we have to look at the economics. Consider the number $23,594. That is the crushing monthly cost of running a continuous NVIDIA A100 instance on AWS. If you're running your AI workloads for more than, say, 3 or 4 hours a day, that cloud meter is just spinning entirely out of control. We're going to look at the exact price to compute math that makes the localized approach not just vastly more secure, but fundamentally superior financially. Act 1, the Silicon Foundation. Let's break down the 2026 hardware tiers. Your budget entry point, the bronze tier, starts around $1,800 with a single RTX 4090. But the silver professional sweet spot is where things get really serious for about $4,500. In 2026, the enthusiast king is undeniably the NVIDIA RTX 5090. And the reason why is pretty simple. It packs 32 gigabytes of lightning-fast GDDR7 memory and native support for FP4 precision, which effectively doubles your throughput right out of the gate. But what if you want to push the absolute limits? Our $12,000 plus research tier, the gold standard, is required if you want to run massive Maverick-class models with over 100 billion parameters. You can pull this off by pairing 2 RTX 5090s for 64 gigabytes of VRAM, or if you really want to scale, an Apple M4 Ultra gives you 192 gigabytes of unified memory for literal zero bottleneck multi-agent orchestration. But hold on, here's a massive warning before you go out and drop that kind of money. Even with 12 grand in top-tier gear, your agent is going to severely bottleneck on PCIe bandwidth, dropping your token generation to an absolute crawl if you miss a single crucial BIOS configuration. I'm actually going to show you the exact fix for that bottleneck right after we get our software stack dialed in. Act 2, the logic engine. So having the hardware is really only half the battle. To run an autonomous agent securely, we have to move past basic prompting. We're stepping into frameworks like LangGraph and CrewAI for continuous local loops. A framework like openclaw gives your local LLM the ability to take real-world actions. But to maximize that RTX 5090 architecture we just built, you absolutely must use EXL2 quantization rather than GGUF for superior token throughput. Finally, NVIDIA's NemoClaw sits beneath this runtime, enforcing strict enterprise governance boundaries so your agent only touches exactly what it's allowed to. And speaking of security, we absolutely have to talk about your gateway. openclaw uses a long-lived Node.js process as its control plane. If you leave port 18789 exposed, you are highly vulnerable to WebSocket hijacking and leaking your private chat history. The fix here is gateway binding. By explicitly binding the gateway to 127.0.0.1 during onboarding, you lock down accessibility strictly to your local machine. Your AI completely stops broadcasting its keys to the public network. But network exposure isn't even the scariest part. Think about this for a second. Your local agent has permission to run code, which means it has permission to fail. Or worse, what happens if it's fed an indirect prompt injection from a malicious email? Does your agent actually have the authority to execute a shell command that wipes your entire 4 terabyte NVMe drive? This is where separation of privilege isn't just a best practice, it's literally mandatory. You must run your autonomous agent inside an isolated Docker sandbox rather than just a standard user account. If an agentic hallucination occurs, or a prompt injection attempts to run a malicious shell command like rm-rf, the blast radius is instantly contained. The Docker sandbox simply prevents the agent from triggering a total system failure on your drives. Act 3, the Agentic stress test. All right, let's see how this logic engine actually behaves dynamically in the wild. Modern 2026 agents operate on a heartbeat logic. Every 30 minutes, the heartbeat trigger wakes up and checks the environment. Let's say the agent attempts a task, maybe an SSH login to pull a dataset, but it fails.
Because it's autonomous, it doesn't just sit there and wait for you. It pivots. It uses a tool like fail-to-ban, which is constantly monitoring your system logs for unauthorized access, to analyze the security logs. Realizing its IP was blocked, the agent locally refactors its own code and adjusts its approach, all executed autonomously, entirely on your machine. It's brilliant. Now, bringing it back to the economics, remember that $23,000 a month cloud bill? Here is a massive 2026 meta tip. By utilizing small language model or SLM router models to triage tasks before waking up your massive 70 billion parameter models, you save enormous amounts of power. Running this local agent swarm 24/7 on your own hardware costs a maximum of about $75 per month in electricity. That SLM router trick alone saves you over $200 a month compared to brute forcing every single prompt.
Okay, so you've built the ultimate local setup. But are you ready for that PCI BIOS fix we talked about earlier? Because if you skip this, all that incredible hardware and software we just discussed is going to be choked off from the data it desperately needs. Here are the exact configurations you need to make in your BIOS before installing your OS. First up, enable resizable bar. Sometimes you'll see it called above 4G decoding. This allows your CPU full access to the GPU's entire memory buffer at once, massively improving data transfer rates. Second, explicitly set your PCIe slots to Gen 5 mode to force maximum bandwidth. Finally, disable any CPU power-saving features that might aggressively throttle performance during sustained AI workloads. These three tweaks together ensure absolutely maximum token throughput. The Master Manifest Blueprint Recap. Let's bring it all together. Here is your optimized stack for a sovereign local intelligence hub. At the core, dual NVIDIA RTX 5090s taking full advantage of 32 GB GDDR7, EXL2 quantization, and FP4 precision. You are pairing that with an AMD Threadripper 7960X and 256 GB of ECC RAM to provide the necessary PCIe lanes and a massive dataset staging area. Your OS is Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Your logic layer is powered by LangGraph and openclaw, and it's strictly governed by NemoClaw. Finally, your security perimeter is enforced by 127.0.0.1 gateway binding, a strict Docker sandbox, and fail-to-ban monitoring. The age of cloud dependency is well and truly over. You now have the exact blueprint to deploy an enterprise-grade autonomous agent right on your own desk. Secure your local stack by subscribing to CyberTips Explainer, and be sure to check out the full manifest link in the description below. When your AI has zero egress, the only limit is your hardware. So what incredible autonomous tasks are you going to build first? Let's get to work.